Welcome to Crochet Basics with Texendi. How to make a slip knot. Take your yarn and take the tail end and fold it behind your working yarn. Then fold the tail in front of the working yarn. Kind of looks like a pretzel. Then take your hook from the back of the yarn through the first hole, over the tail that you're holding, pinching between your middle finger and your thumb, and from the front to the back of a second hole. Then use your hook to grab the yarn and pull it through your first hole. Do not let go of the tail end, but use it to tighten your slip knot. Now you have your slip knot on your hook and are ready to begin.